Riwruok Kweth maketo sirkal tesre osidho ayanga duol moro ma giwacho ni biro kedo mar manyo ratiro ne oganda maratich gi rochi. Duol no ting'o jotelo ang'wen ka otelnegi kod Justin Muturi. Ka giloso Nairobi, Kweth no olero ni kaluwore kod kaka obila oserocho ratich oganda, okang' ma gidhi kawo onywando nyaka donjo ne obila.
The approach also aims to rebuild individuals, families, and communities, and indeed the nation. For we can talk about economic growth, but what does it mean to the mother whose child was taken more than a year ago without trace and has not received any answer as to whether the son is alive or dead?
Listening to what has happened to our country, honestly and sincerely, if we don't take action now, we might end up with no country.
He has today at State House hosted the same police and commended them for the good work they're doing. And he has told them he's 100% behind them. To me, this president has given the signal to the police to do tomorrow what they did best on the 25th of June last year.